Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Stubborn by Farzana. This is me Farzana. Today I'm going to show you this wedding guest makeup tutorial, and for that I am starting with my eye makeup, and for that I am using two concealers. One is from L.A and one is for Flormer. All the product names are on the description bar below with the shade names, so please check that out. And I am setting the concealer with a powder and then starting with my transition color. For that I am using this yellow color and blending it very gently and softly from inner corner to outer corner. To deepen up my crease and intense my inner corner and outer corner, I am taking this brownish orangish color, and with the flat brush I am blending it and building the color at the same time. For Hello Kinda eye makeup look, I'm going to cut my middle of the lid with a concealer, then smooth it with my fingers and then set it with a powder. From the Focallure 18 shades palette, taking this gold mine color for the lid and for the edges and blend the harsh lines, I am using brown gold shimmer with a flat brush and blend the sides. And then again deepen up the inner corner and outer corner. Now taking turmeric color and highlighting my brow bone and inner corner. Now with my Lakme Insta liner, I am creating a long wing and fill in the rest. So here I am done with my eyeliner, and now going to use a toner and then moisturizer, and both are from aloe vera family. These two products together will hydrate my skin properly. Do apply your moisturizer in your neck and ear and hands too. And then I'm going to use a setting spray from Makeup Revolution because we need to control our excess oil. And next for my dark circle and pigmentation, I'm using a orange corrector. To cover up my orange concealer, I'm using a L.A Pro concealer and going to blend it with a brush. Blend well and cover all the pigmentation. Now I am using two foundation to match my skin tone perfectly. One is from Loreal and one is for Flormer. Always go with your foundation from your sides to your bottom. It will prevent the cakiness and use less product to your bottom area. Always try to use a damp beauty blender for your foundation. Don't go dry or don't go too wet, okay? And go with the slow and dabbing motion, and don't forget your neck. So I'm happy with my blending, and now I'm going to highlight my center of my face, and for that I love going with part by part because concealers dry out really fast. And for that I am using a yellow shade from this pan and blend it with a damp beauty sponge. And for nose, cupid's bow and forehead, I am using this two color and blend it well. You have to blend until your hands are hurting. Okay, so done with cream products. Now going to bake my face, actually the parts where I usually use my concealer. And for that powder I used Maxona and L.A Plus 2 powders mixed together, and using this is going to be my perfect shade. Maxona is too white for me, L.A Plus Minareal one was too dark for me, so I just mix this two. And with a smaller brush now I am brushing off any other excess, and with a big brush I am dusting off any other powder, and then using a face powder set my entire face. Now contouring my nose with a warm brown color and blend it with the same damn beauty sponge because we don't need any harsh lines. For contouring I'm using an angle brush with the Jordana Cocoa eyeshadow. I am contouring my jawline and then use some blush, and then my favorite part, this is the highlighter. I'm mixing these two highlighter from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sugar 2 palette. And for bridge of the nose, my inner corners of my eyes, forehead and upper brow bones, I'm using Sleek highlighter palette. Going back to my eye makeup, and for that I'm using this orangish color for my lower lash line, and then using a nude eye pencil and then curl my lashes, and then going to apply some lipstick, and for that using two Focallure liquid lipstick. Cleaning my watery eyes, and then going to use a few coats of mascara, and for that I'm using this Loreal mascara. And for natural looking lashes I'm using a clear mascara wand, and then finish this makeup with a setting spray. So here is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, everyone.